Alright, so I am doing something a little bit different. I'm on Ultimaker Thingiverse, and I found these tattoo stands. Should be kind of cool. You just print this thing up and put your machine on it. So you print them differently, I guess, and color them. So if you have a 3D printer, let's click download. Wait. Let's do alt air horn. Okay. When we get into here, let's see extract all. There's actually a bunch of 3D tattoo frames and stuff like that for, like, you know, this and that. Grips for Bishop, a lot of Bishop stuff, and Cheyennes and whatnot. And anyway, let's get over here to. Boy, this stupid computer is like killing me. It's really, really slow. Okay. My goodness. I think I'm gonna have to retire this laptop. Because it is just like beyond stupid. Okay. This is a G-code file or whatever. STL file. Boom. Okay, so we want it to 20% infill, temperature to 68. Let me see if I can do print speed of, like, let's say, I want to try something faster. 70. Let's go ahead and slice it. Let's see what it shows me. This stupid thing probably take an hour. Yep. 54 minutes. So anyway, we're going to print it. So bear with me. Okay, so we're getting ready to go print. Alright. It's gotta be this one. Let's see. 5BK72. I better check. Because I do not want to start printing the wrong thing. So we go into here. The downloads. Yeah. Oh wait. No. Let me get into here and just double check. Tattoo display stand. I wish they'd give these things like normal file names. Just rename the damn thing. Yeah, that's what it is. It's that one. Okay. So, we click confirm. Just a couple more degrees for the print bed. And then we're going to see if we can print this one fast. I'm still learning how to do a lot of this stuff. I've actually got 2 of these. And one of them's got some problems. These are fairly large print bed. This is like a copy of a Creality CR10. This is a 2 Otto Pyramid something 1 point something blah blah blah. It's 11 or 12 by 16, whereas most of them are like 8 by 9. So you can print, you know, larger things, easier for radio stuff. But some of the other ones won't do that. Printer, like, you know, coils, feet, knobs, just all sorts of stupid stuff. So just hit 68. We shall film it in slow motion as soon as the stupid GoPro turns on. Come on. So to print its little calibration stripe. I swear to God, these GoPros are complete crap. I push the button and the stupid thing turns off. Like, what the hell? It does it again. Okay, so it's going to print this little circle around here first. So literally I've missed the whole damn thing because of the stupid GoPro. So it will start filling it in. It'll take quite some time.